So for this brinjal gravy, we are using a purple colored brinjal. Take about 4 to 5 and cut them into medium sized pieces. Put them in a cooker along with some dal, turmeric and some salt. Add water as well. Meanwhile, let's prepare tadka. In a jar, put 1 whole onion and 1 whole tomato, which are cut into pieces obviously, and then put a small piece of tamarind and add turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, and a pinch of salt. Add some water and grind them very well. Make it a thick paste, like how you see here. Not too thick as well, it should be a little runny. Let's keep it aside for now. I'm heating the kadai on which I'm gonna make the curry, because I'm going to use the coconut oil and it's kind of a little thick right now. But you can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, let's put some mustard seeds, followed by some curry leaves. Fry them well. Now let's toss in our onions. And then add some ginger garlic paste. Fry them all till the onion becomes translucent. Now let's toss in the tomatoes. I'm adding very little amount of turmeric here, as I have already used while boiling the brinjal. Now I'm putting the tadka that I prepared. Stir it well. It should be cooked till it becomes thick, so keep stirring. Once it is thick enough, now let's add the brinjal that is boiled. Our curry is shaping up really well at this moment. Just cook it for few more minutes and you should be done. I'm going to close the lid for some time so that it cooks well inside. Well, it's almost done. I'm adjusting the salt here. And then I'm going to give a good stir. Letting it cook by closing the lid. Sorry, I didn't record after that. Well, you just have to turn off the gas and that's it.